If your car fucked up, don't panic, don't trip. With these hands, baby, I can do magic, bitch. I can fix any car on the planet, all of them. Hit my line right now, I'm a mechanic. Hit me up. If your car fucked up, don't panic, don't trip. With these hands, baby, I can do magic, bitch. I can fix any car on the planet, all of them. Hit my line right now, I'm a mechanic. Hit me up. Your car won't start, it's your alternator. Matter of fact, it just might be your radiator. Hold on. Or you can put some water in a little container. Pour it in your car and you can ride around it later. I'm just trying to help, don't be mad at me. You know what, I'm really thinking it's your battery. It is. You probably burnt your oil out like a calorie, but I can have your car brand new, like the fact brand new. But hold on, baby, I'ma need a break, cause you still need a couple ball joints and some brakes, y'all. It might take a couple days, so you gotta wait. I even got the plug on the paper plate up. So hit my line if you ever need me. I'm always under the hood, you will never see me. You ain't coming with no money, you can never reach me. I like my money up front, so you can never cheat. If your car fucked up, don't.
Do it one more time. I just want to get this on camera. Yeah, and one more. Alright. That's good, no more. Okay, let's figure that out. I'm going to turn this off and take this starter down because we got a 1/4 inch gap. Let's see what the hell's going on here.